Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. But now let's talk about our good old friend Jasmy right now, see what is happening with its price and of course what is yet to come. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Looking at the broader market, seeing a little bit of retracement due to Bitcoin, also seeing a little bit of pullback after Donald Trump spoke at the Bitcoin conference, and a lot of good takeaways. But you're seeing a seldom news event taking place because, of course, highly anticipated event. With Donald Trump speaking there, and some very bullish stuff said though. But you're still seeing whales coming in trying to shake out some of the weak hands right now, and that's what we're seeing happening with the Bitcoin price. Of course, it's impacting the altcoins, but Jasmy is holding really good right now against the market, up 8.3% right now. So let's take a closer look and see what is happening with Jasmy, and of course what we could be expecting going further into Sunday morning. So looking at the price of Jasmy right now, guys, it's back above 3.2 cents. To be exact, 3.23 cents. Up 8.3% in USD comparative, also up about 9.4% in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative. Market cap about $1.56 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume has gone up quite a bit, currently sitting at $246.5 million. But let's take a closer look and see what is happening and why exactly is Jasmy holding really good against the overall market right now. What exactly is the catalyst behind that? Now, before I get into it any further, though, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So look at this, guys. This right here is Coinbase website, and they have FAQs on pretty much everything. And again, this right here is kind of circulating around Twitter, and pretty much within the Jasmy community, and bringing in a lot of excitement, because you can see in the FAQs on Coinbase website, you can see it says, what is the relative popularity of Jasmy? It says Jasmy ranks 33 among tradable assets on Coinbase. Popularity is currently based on relative market cap. What is the current trading activity on Jasmy? This is where exciting news is really coming from. So you can see currently 94% of Coinbase users are buying Jasmy. In other words, 94% of Coinbase customers have increased their net positions in Jasmy over the past 24 hours through trading. And again, this is really causing a lot of people to get excited right now as far as Jasmy's price is concerned. And you can kind of take a look at the impact that it has had on the market as this news has kind of spread, because let's face it, of course some people are going to come out and make the statement that, Binance still has them in the warning zone. And again, that is something I've been emphasizing on a day-to-day basis, especially when we talk about Jasmy. They need to get that thing kind of situated. I still don't understand where Binance way of thinking is coming from. Why do they still have it in the danger zone? As far as the project itself is concerned, I know the Moon Boys are going to come out and not like hearing this, but I've been quite clear, and even the Jasmy big believers believe what I say, that the project needs to deliver more. They need to deliver more. They need to hit on the roadmap, and of course, really get that website going, because I'm not the only one talking about website. If you kind of go back a few years as well, you were seeing a lot of people talking about, Jasmy needs to invest a little bit more money to really get their website a little bit more appealing. I understand it's in a different language, but that does not mean you have the website looking like it was made back in 2005. You need to kind of update things, and website does leave a big impression. Let's be honest, if I were to go on a website and it doesn't please me, even though if the project is really good, I don't care, I'm stepping away. And that is something they need to do, and they really need to get their ducks in the row, because what takes them so long to update a website? Like, it is frustrating from that point of view, but let's see what happens. Anyhow, the price itself is looking great, and I've been quite clear with you guys. The hype factor for Jasmy is definitely there. A lot of people are hyped on Jasmy. Of course, tokenomics got better compared to the last cycle, but there's still a lot of things that kind of need to be changed before I think more eyes could even come on Jasmy. But anyhow, if you're looking at it as of today, Bitcoin dominance is starting to get back above the yearly high. We're getting closer and closer. It's going to get 56.65% in dominance index. Bitcoin on the other hand, after the announcement, you could see this for yourself. Bitcoin actually went up to 69,000 $70,558. So we actually never saw the $70,000 price being retested, which I spoke to you guys about. So what happened was, of course, we got that rejection, and obviously whales came and tried to shake out the weak hands, and you can see this for yourself. Bitcoin now is sitting at 67,500 support, which was coming as a massive resistance as the price of Bitcoin was trying to break towards the upside. But I'll definitely take that, the fact that the price of Bitcoin has been supported by that massive resistance as we were breaking towards the upside, and that is a huge plus point. So you want to take a look at it from that point of view. We're still on a weekend. On the weekends you do tend to see more manipulation than usual, but so far so good. I'm liking what I'm seeing with Bitcoin right now. But let's take a look at what's happening with our good old friend Jasmy. So if you've been following my channel over the past few months, and you've been watching my Jasmy updates, the 3.2 cents price point, I think I spoke about this like a few updates ago as well. I kind of emphasized a little bit more on that, and I said this target is the next target that I'm keeping an eye out on, and I thought even said in that update that I do see Jasmy pushing up to that level quite fast, especially if we're able to clear some resistance. And we actually did see that end happening for Jasmy. We actually saw it go up to 3.3 cents, guys, and that's something we haven't seen for over a month now. So a very, very impressive move for Jasmy right now, and the way it's holding against the market, this speaks for itself. Obviously the volume has also increased due to excitement coming in, especially from Coinbase. So yeah, let's take a look at what are some of the next targets we could be aiming for. Let's face it, Jasmy is still below $2 billion market valuation, and I do believe with the hype factor revolving around Jasmy right now, is the amount of people that are talking about Jasmy, it is a low market valuation. So I do believe we do see Jasmy hitting yearly highs once again. A lot of people don't think that's going to happen, but I do believe that could happen faster than a lot of you think, because that's only a move of about 40%. And again, Jasmy is at a $1.56 billion market valuation. Liquidity is not an issue. It's pretty much listed on all the major centralized exchanges. So buying Jasmy is not a hard thing for a lot of investors. If they have done their due diligence and kind of want to get an exposure on Jasmy, they could do so easily, on pretty much listed on all the big major exchanges. So I'm liking the setup that we're seeing right now, especially being above the key resistance around the 2.9 cents price point. Obviously now, if you're kind of looking at the price of Jasmy, we do have a little bit of resistance at that 3.4 cents mark that I spoke to you guys about it. But if that is able to clear out, guys, I think a 4 cents Jasmy is the next target that we could be looking out for. And if you want to put that into perspective, that's a move of about 21.53%, which is not far away at all. So one step at a time. If you are a Jasmy holder, I'm sure you guys are excited right now, especially if you picked it up on the July 5th price point, because you are up right now about 72%, and that is of course really nice to see. But let's take it one step at a time, analyze the chart on a day-to-day basis. And guys, watch out for the scammers and the spam comments in the comments down below. As the channel is growing, it's literally impossible to kind of keep track of these spam comments. I delete them and then boom, they're back. They're like the very next second. So please be cautious. Never send your crypto to anyone. Simple as that. You own your crypto. You want to keep your crypto. Don't fall for any of these comments. And also, last but not least, I will never ask you guys to call me or to send your crypto, or never click the link, guys. Just never do any of this and you should be good. But yeah, I'm going to close out the video here. We'll see you tomorrow with Crypto ZX, and peace out.